Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are making a refreshing mocktail recipe. Summers and chilled mocktails are a match made in heaven. Don't you agree? So enough of the slow motion video, let's begin. First, we need grapes. Do you know why grapes are never lonely? Well, simply because they come in bunches. Haha. Next up is cucumber. Do you know cucumbers are natural electrolyte boosters? They help you meet your daily fluid needs and keep you hydrated. Next up is green chili. Yes, you heard it right. Green chili will help us add in the much needed kick to this mocktail. So now, just add all this in a blender jar. The portion to use is 2:1. That is, for 2 cups of grapes, we will use 1 cup of cucumber. We are using half green chili. Remember, we just need a little hint of heat in our mocktail, so add accordingly. Squeeze some lemon juice in it. You can add sugar here if your grapes aren't enough sweet, but we won't be adding any extra sugar. 1/4 teaspoon black salt and blend it thoroughly. There you have it, your refreshing mocktail ready to serve. Well, we call it Grapitini. If you have any interesting name to this mocktail, do let us know in the comments below. Cool off your summers with this super quick drink and stay hydrated. Until next time, bye bye.